What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Iotx, which has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just below 7 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much very earlier this morning, and looking at where is it heading to next. Can it potentially hit 10 cents over the coming days? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? Essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as in what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? And also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction as well. Overall in 2024, how high and how low can Iotx go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Iotx, which is here in purple at 0.046 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at over 7 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, they are looking quite steep, heading towards the negative direction, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking quite bearish is because of the drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours. But as you guys can see, overall it has managed to maintain its value around 7 cents and hasn't had any major drop as of yet after the pump. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Iotx to be dropping down to around the 6 cents, just below 6 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for this is, at the moment, I'm predicting that it's slightly overvalued and is expected to hit more red candles over the coming hours. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hover around 7 cents or just above that over the next couple of hours, potentially for the whole of today, and then in the early hours of tomorrow start to hit red candles, dropping down below 6 cents is what I'm expecting. So I do expect it to be quite volatile, but unfortunately the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to slightly be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line, is not looking bullish or bearish. So what does this mean for Iotx is an overall minimal drop in value is again expected from the crypto over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, the crypto should essentially be trading again at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to around the 5 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is, again, as I mentioned earlier, it is slightly overvalued and is expected to go for an overall minimal drop in value over the coming days, dropping down to around the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting. However guys, do expect green days in between as well. It is going to be quite volatile up and down, but as I mentioned, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit too steep. We've got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, but the fact that it is looking quite steep means it's not realistic. Exact same reason as previously, as I told you guys. However, as you guys can see, it's been hitting green candles over the last couple of days, so the graph thinks that it is likely to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks. However, that is not the case. So essentially by early to mid April 2024, I'm expecting Iotx to be hovering around let's say over 10 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is after it goes through the price correction over the coming week or two, I'm expecting it to hit green candles in March, April and May as well, so heading above the 10 cents target is what I'm expecting. However, with the Bitcoin halving coming in April, this should have a major impact on the crypto market, but as I do more analysis and I get more updates on that, I will let you guys know how it's going to have an impact on the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what we're going to do now is bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have literally broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone here and into the blue zone and into the top tier level. However, it has stepped down a little bit, and it is likely to drop down further into the dark green zone potentially in the next in the next 12 to 14 hours, as I mentioned earlier on, dropping down to 6 cents, and over the next week dropping down even further down back into the green zone is what I'm expecting. But if there are any major updates to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 2000% in the last 24 hours, which is a major increase in trading, guys, and it's currently $265 million in trading, which is again a huge increase. Reason for that is quite obvious. It's pumped up quite a bit, and Iotx is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, so it is of course getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it as more and more people are trading the crypto, as we are seeing it increase in value, and the crypto is still pumping in value right now, so it is getting a lot more attention as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Iotx, guys. A lot of people have been asking me, can this crypto potentially hit the dollar mark in 2024? Again, to hit the dollar mark is going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at least for the next 18 to 24 months. So this year it is very unlikely for the crypto to hit the dollar mark. However, over the coming years, yes, it does have the potential. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Iotx to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.